How to create a group on Facebook on PC. First of all, open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar. Type in facebook.com. Press enter. Make sure you're logged in to your Facebook account. You can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Facebook. Creating the group is actually very simple. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. Find this option for groups and click on it. Once you do that, you'll be led to the groups interface. If you want to create a group, click on this option, create new group that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to create the group. First of all, enter the group name over here. Now select the group privacy by clicking on this option for privacy. You'll be able to see various options like public and private. Click on the option of your choice. If you want to invite the friends, you can click on this field and invite them. You'll also be able to see the preview over here. Now once you do that, click on this option create that you can see on your screen. Now you can see over here Facebook group has been created. Like this, you'll be able to create a group on Facebook. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.